Australia is in the grip of an alarming rise in whooping cough infections, with the number of cases diagnosed hitting its highest level in more than a decade. And health professionals are urging parents to test their children and get immunised.
It's an alarming sound and can be fatal in babies. Cases of whooping cough are on the rise.
Our whooping cough notifications are 30 times that of last year, so we're definitely having an outbreak year this year.
The disease is spreading in schools and childcare centres, with an increase in hospitalisations.
In young babies, they can simply just go blue or stop breathing, so it's a very serious illness.
There have been more than 31,000 cases of whooping cough Australia-wide this year. It's the highest number since 2011, when 38,000 were diagnosed. The most alarming rise is in New South Wales, with more than 15,000, followed by Queensland with almost 10,000, and then Victoria with more than 5,000.
It's really scary. You know, I think all of us have had sleepless nights where we've sat up with our children when they're coughing and just saying, how do I get this coughing to stop?
Alex Hamilton's daughter was sick for 3 months and has only just recovered from the disease.
You know, when I phoned the school and said, I just want to let you know, she's off with whooping cough, and they said, well, her and half the school.
Whooping cough has an easily accessible and effective vaccine. Experts say one of the reasons the disease is spreading so quickly is because of vaccine fatigue following the COVID-19 pandemic.
Cornerstone for prevention is obviously the cliche vaccination.
You know, we really have to consider that we are getting vaccinated, that we are testing our children.
Brendan Crew for 10 News First.